Alright, it's train time, since the lightning rod's wait is now way longer than anybody should be willing to wait for, but I mean, probably will later, just because, why not? I wish we had an optimal viewing point. You see the expansion off to our right here, where they've actually started constructing Dragon Flier, the new Vekoma family suspended coaster that'll be probably pretty fun. Hopefully that actually opens on time. Lightning rod. Anyways. Alright, here we go. We are pulling out.
Now that we're moving, you folks
some pretty dang good views of the
Depot Master John over on the left a good ways.
Pretty good view of the park from here.
In a day or two, a week at the most.
Okay, an hour or two.
We're going to be the friendliest people in the Smokies, and it's up to us on the train to keep it that way. So at the count of three, let's get our hands in the air and give these folks a big howdy. 1, 2, 3.
Howdy!
Great job, guys.
That's always fun. Hey, here's this guy.
On your right is Dollywood's own grist mill. It's the home of the hot silver bread. You hadn't heard that silver bread, you definitely need to go by and get
Ooh,
it.
the smoke smell is strong.
I don't get you more than one. Everybody look to your right, there's millions out there. She's waiting on
Oh, yeah.
Go by and get you some chicken breasts from her. Hey, Miss William, we love you, sweetie.
Choo-choo.
Now sit back and relax.
Back into the woods a bit for a while. There's lightning rod up there, not having anything launched of it. Although it's still apparently open, so that's interesting. There it goes. Nice. Now we're heading over Timber Canyon. We haven't actually walked down here quite yet. Yeah. Haven't been down here today. Decided to do that. There goes Thunderhead. And there's Dragon Flier right there. Construction. It's a pretty small drop, actually. It's going to be the main drop right there. Now you can see some supports up. Station in there.
I know you folks are looking to the right and you're thinking, what in the world's going on? When Dolly came up here and lost her earrings, they dug everywhere, they can't find it. No, I'm kidding.
That was not very funny.
To your right is the future home of Dollywood's newest themed area, Wildwood Grove. Wildwood Grove will feature 11 new experiences for guests of all ages. It will feature unique attractions and a Southern-inspired dining establishment. We look forward to having
more
more to offer you and your family, starting in 2019 and beyond.
And beyond, they are planning more after Wildwood Grove. They've said this is just part one of this whole area. And there's the parts for the flying scooters. It's gonna be called the Mad Mockingbird.
Our engine, 1938 built model built by Baldwin Locomotive Works out of Eddystone, Pennsylvania. Her name is Cinderella. Let's look up at our engine. Wave at our engineer, DJ. Like
Hey!
everybody hold on tight now. Watch where he's going.
That's some constructionism. They could actually expand up here if they wanted to. It looks like they're surveying to do something like that. That'd be neat.
Wild Eagle's going.
It actually looks like it's going kind of slow, Wild Eagle, but when you're on it, it feels fast today for some reason.
That's scary. What if you go with
And we get some more dirt. Gotta love dirt. Wait, is that TNT? Probably because we're next to Fire Chaser, I don't know. There you go. There's Fire Chaser right there. Maybe they'll have some kind of neat Christmas display up here, I don't know. Lights on that post. Christmas lights on the little house right there. Nice. Funny, actually. Well, that cabin up there gets a good view of Dollywood. Over there you can see some stuff being constructed. Or not actually constructed. Yeah, that's pretty neat. She's gonna stop. She's gonna blow the whistle now. So.
1, 2, 3.
Blow the whistle. Jingle bells. It's pretty funny, actually.
All right, folks, how about a big round of applause for Cinderella and our engineer?
Hey. They're starting to put a track piece up. They're picking it up on the crane. That's kind of cool. And one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, off with your nose and ride, won't you get this sleigh? Yeah, they should pick it up there. They're starting to disappear behind the trees. Yeah, bye-bye. There's the part where you get to see the back of all the buildings where they're not maintained at all. So if you said they looked really pretty around the front, well, think again, because they're actually disgusting back here. Ah, that's great stuff. Oh yeah. Wonderful. So the feeder, I believe. And up there's Lightning Rod again. Not really doing anything. It's a cue for the show. And we're being attacked by vines. Whenever we'll see Lightning Rod go up over here at all. Or maybe it broke down again, I don't know. So, yeah. Here we are over this thingamajigger. Todd's got a wave. Here we go. Nice view right there.
Folks, we're coming up on the main crossing again. Let's give everybody at the count of 3 a happy holidays. 1, 2, 3.
Happy holidays! Oh yeah.
Good, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy holidays! Is Lightning Rod still running? I'm trying to see if there are people up in there. see. Can't see up in there. Sure hope they are. There's good old Smoky Mountain River Rampage, all shut down for the winter.
We thank you for riding.
Drained all the way out. Good stuff. Makes me almost want to ride it. Empty. Now here is the country fair, which most coaster enthusiasts forget exists, but it's a fun place. Worth a stop. And here's the train yard.
A 1943 model.
There's currently storing Klondike Katy, which is what we rode on last time. We're riding on Cinderella today. Two different trains. Anyhow, country fair looks kind of neat from this angle.